My name's Sam and I'm working for Friatec as a Specification and Technical Manager for Polyethylene Fitting Solutions. WorkFlow is an application which is designed by Friatec in Germany. It's a new way of being able to track projects on site and electrofusion welds. Being a part of the Ali Axis group, Friatec and Friatec work hand in hand, with Friatec supporting Friatec technology in Australia.
My name's Kieran Donnelly. I'm the region leader for Reece Civil, New South Wales. Currently, we're in a really big transition period within the industry. Everything was traditionally done very much with paper and in the old school way. And that's now really started to evolve and further on to things like workflow, giving us the ability to not only manage our jobs digitally, but to be able to keep track of the smaller finite details of the jobs going on day to day on site.
The issue that not only contractors face, but also councils and authorities, is just the level of documentation that's often not recorded, whereas Workflow solves that problem because it documents that information automatically, so they can have visibility and confidence that everything's been done correctly in compliance with Australian standards.
I'm Steve, I'm the Director at Odina Industries. I take care of utilities and infrastructure. With the Workflow platform, we're able to have all the information documented in one place consistently. Previous to the Ali Axis Workflow software, we would end up with dirty sheets of paper scattered across a building site. It saved us hundreds of hours in back-end administration. After we've used it, we cannot live without it.
Hi, my name's Ray Sylvester. I work at Friatec College and I run the Electrofusion welding class here. We teach our students here the workflow application because when they get out on site, they can hit the ground running.
We support customers implementing electrofusion and workflow on site by offering training and going through the process with how best to mitigate risk of failure.
We use Friatec because their standards are significantly higher than the standards required out in the field.
Very rewarding when we hear from the students that have then implemented workflow out on site.
Quality's there. You can tell that the fittings are more dense. The team behind them that really sold me, the people that I'm dealing with at Reece, they're very, very knowledgeable in these products.
I work really closely with the Reece team and all of their customer base to assist them with everything to do with polyethylene electrofusion.
We believe it's the best engineered system. There's a bigger array of products for technical cut-ins and custom solutions. It's been a massive game changer with us.
The main thing that would come to mind when we're looking at the Friatec and the workflow system when combined is peace of mind. For anyone, I guess, really hesitant to make the move or not ready to do it just yet, my advice would be make the jump.